Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is a quick update on ticker symbol IDEX, Idex for Ideonomics. And today we had a very good day. We are up by 4.17%, and after our at one point we were like 6%. You can see here like we went all the way to 3.3. It was like 6% up after hours. It came down and still like we are 4% up after hours. So what's happening, just want to go through the chart because I also want to know what is happening, because like it has a very good day today. Like it went up all the way around 3.1, came down, moved sideways, but I don't know why it went to 3.3. Maybe something is cooking. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. But otherwise, like in this channel, I cover IDEX, and I definitely am holding a lot of share. I also sold some covered call option, so this is something I want to hold till like $5 to $7. Then maybe I'll take some profit, but we are holding. And if you are holding IDEX, please subscribe to this channel. Anyway, so let's look at the chart. Like I don't know what's happening, but I just wanted to show you the chart because we talked about the chart previously, and like we talked about this downtrend, right? You see the two black line here, and I'm showing here 1 hour candles here. So we were coming down, 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 and in my last video I said, okay, we broke, but we need to make sure that we are going up. So you can see we went up, came down, moved sideways. Now we are grinding up and up. And today, like I was looking around 3.1 area. It came to 3.1. It came down end of the day, but now after hour it went to 3.3. I don't know what's happening, but just want to show you the chart. Like if you are planning to get inside in this particular stock. So I think looking at these numbers, right? In this area 3.15, that is a very important one. I think we have to break this one. And also it went to 3.3 and came down. And why 3.3? Let me show you. I would say around this area 3.35, 3.3, because you see like some kind of, actually not 3.3, I would go with this particular one around 3.4, even though we went to 3.3, but I think 3.4 seems like a good area. You see a resistance here, another resistance here, then also some kind of support and resistance. But what's the future, right? If it goes above 3.4, how far we can go in near term, right? So I'm just drawing just for us, so we know how we should be going up step by step, right? It went all the way to 5.4. Currently we are over $3. So again, I want to go up to 5, 6, $7. And don't forget, it has a price target of $7 by Roth Capital. So that is why I want to hold this stock for some time. And if it comes down anyway, for any reason tomorrow with the overall market, look at this area, right? This area of support, which is around 2.6, that was a good support previously. And in my last video I talked about when it went outside, then I sold and I re-entered again around 2.5 area. So 2.6 is a good area, right? And also after 2.6, I think that was another area, right? Another 2.75. Anyway, these are old story, but at any point if it comes down to 2.7, always like grab more share. Otherwise, I think this is the time. You can see with time it is going higher and higher. As long it can continue this trend, I think I'm super bullish. You see here it is making higher lows. It means it is grinding higher and higher, and hopefully once it goes around 3.4, 3.6 and $4, it might have some resistance. It can go and come back. That is okay, but currently it is 3.1. I don't know what happened. It went to 3.3, came down just for a single time. It went up and came down. Maybe we will see more action. This is only 4:37 standard time, but we have more time. We will see what's happening. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video because I just wanted to show that we broke the trend and now we are making higher lows and we are going higher and higher. Maybe I will make a longer video, just talking about more update and our plan for the future. But anyway, look at 3.15, look at 3.4, look at 3.7, and then $4. And if you're holding, then just keep holding because I think it will go higher. And also in my last video I talked about covered call. So whenever the stock runs up a lot, you can always sell some covered call and make some additional money. And covered calls are usually considered as passive income. Anyway, my friend, let me know if you know what's happening, what's cooking behind. If I know, I will make another video. And also please subscribe to my channel if you want to get regular updates on IDEX. Again, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.